Good morning, FuturestraderElite here. To do a little NQ pre-market prep this morning, we're going to pull up the 15-minute chart. And as you can see on the 15 here, this red trend line is a 1 hour. And so is this red line. Show you what we got going on up here. That first line's coming off this wick over here to the wick off of this candle, and then this line here supposed to be on the top of that, and we're touching in right here at the top of here. So we got two different 1 hour trend lines up there. This right down here, this green line, that's actually a 4 hour trend line, which will be a major area for us to pay attention to today if they want to keep dragging this down. You can see we got the golden pivot right here at 762. It already tested that and bounced down. So as you can also see, this 4 hour trend line is not only going through the zone box in this area right here, which will have to happen before 10 or 11 o'clock this morning. We got this S1 pivot is at 611. Although, let's say we got to get there first. You see we had this drop here, and then we bounced off this yellow line, which was a all-time high, a previous all-time high at some point or another. I leave those there because they're like magnets. You see it protected it yesterday. So we got this bounce, and now we even went through this yellow previous all-time high, come down, bounced up, and that line's around that pivot. Now we're back to the downside. So I'm going to be looking at this line, which is at around 646 or so. If we get down here, possibly for a bounce. But a key play for me today that I'm going to be watching is this 4 hour trend line. If we keep dropping, we drop with some speed, let's say like at the open today, I'm probably going in, might be going in kind of heavy on this line. I just need to see how the market is and how it's reacting after the market opens to determine that. Or, you know, let's say we get the bounce at this line, and instead we're in an upward grind. I think I'm going to be trying to short anything first reaction under this 1 hour trend line. If for some reason we open and get up there pretty quick. We put this blue line in yesterday in pre-market, and it ended up, I said to watch it for a bounce yesterday. It actually got to that and almost tagged it right here and bounced. So there's a lot to be. That blue line is at around 780. I guess one thing that I might be looking for is what if we do go up. We might test this 1 hour trend line. If they want to keep pulling the market to the downside, go up and hit this again. It might chop over this way some and hit this, and then we get the drop to the 4 hour. Either way, good short zones will be this 1 hour trend line in the blue line, or if it's even over here, the 1 hour trend line with this yellow line, or the golden pivot is right above the yellow line. So that's a key area for a short if we're in that area when it tags that line. And then if we get over in this area, you know, I'm going to play a bounce off this 4 hour trend line regardless if it happens in this box or not. So that's all I'm going to put out this morning. I don't want to get too in depth with what's going on down here. I'll update that in the live update channel in the Discord as it's unfolding. And I hope everybody has a good trading day. If you like this pre-market prep, smash that like and subscribe, and come join us in the Discord for free.